So we're going to talk about the selection tools. So the two selection tools we have on the toolbar are the selection tool, which is the black arrow, and then we have the direct selection tool, which is the white arrow. Okay, and you can see by the description, the direct selection tool is to select and adjust anchor points and segments to reshape paths. Okay, and the selection tool is to select the entire object. Right. So what that means by that, if you're in the normal selection tool, which you'll be using probably more than the direct selection tool, I'm able to move shapes. Okay, move the entire shape to whatever location I may need. Okay, it's also for selecting the shapes. That way you can adjust the fill and the stroke color. You can then adjust the size. Okay, and some of the other features we'll talk about later. With the direct selection tool, the point of direct selection tool is to be able to adjust anchor points. That way you can reshape the path. What that means is, so this stroke line here, okay, if you can notice that this actually is, I'll zoom in on it. Okay, this little blue line that's coming through the green here, that's actually a path. All right, so if I want to readjust these paths, right, to make them look different, what I need to do, I'm going to hover over the anchor point here. Sorry, I need to be in the selection tool first. I'm going to hover over the anchor point, click and hold and drag. And notice now I'm not just resizing it, I'm actually changing that shape. Okay, same thing like for these ones. I can actually change the way these look. Okay, so I'm not just getting generic shapes, I'm getting something that's a little bit different. Okay, and you're getting pretty creative with your designs. Okay, the more you play around with this, the more you're going to get used to how these shapes interact. And you can get some pretty fancy designs with them. Okay, this will be very helpful for the next assignment that's coming up. But those are the two selection tools: the selection tool and the direct selection tool.